The aim of classifying is a gradual progression from general to specific subject. It is for the reason that the process of classification starts from the idea plane. It then goes through the verbal plane for language in the medium of communication of thoughts or ideas. It finally arrives at the notational plane for class number.
The historical perspective of the postulation approach, why we required because if you want to have a very scientific theory to devise a classification scheme, so there need to be a kind of guidance or theories, principle, plan, which guided your different thinking and act on devising a particular classification scheme. Now, there are many classification schemes which doesn't follow the dynamic theory of classification scheme. Dynamic means which is based on the scientific theories. Ranganathan initiated first the dynamic theory of classification, and he initiated the concept of postulations approach. Before that, it was all descriptive theory, so there was no need to be a postulations kind of thing. Now, this is a Bliss work. Here, postulations approach. But before postulations approach, we just see how postulations approaches, how many postulations approach. There are basic three plans in the postulations approach. Canon for idea plan, canon for verbal plan, canon for notational plan. Here you can see canon for idea plan, 15 canons are there. Canon for characteristics, canon for succession characteristics, canon for chain, canon for filiatory sequence. Now, canon for verbal plan, we have canon of context, canon of enumeration, canon of currencies, canon of reticence. Here, canon of notational plan, we have 24. These are further grouped into basic canons 12, mnemonics 5, growing verse 4, book classification 3. In idea plan is arranged, isolate and array chain. Ranganathan has given following 5 steps on arranging the chain and array. Canon of characteristics, canon for succession of characteristics, canon for formation of array of classes, canon for formulation of chain of classes, canon for filiatory sequence. Now here the canon of characteristics, canon of differentiation, canon of ascertainability, canon of permanence. Now here in canon of differentiation, you can understand this is, you can divide it two concepts into one particular sequence. Student, if there is students, so there must be UG. In PG, we follow the same sign, science, arts, and commerce. Not here, canon of ascertainability. How we are going to ascertain a particular attribute. Now, canon of, for example, a group of living people cannot be divided on the basis of date of death. So, when we are dividing different people in a particular group, date of birth or their skin, their colors, their nationality, their gender could be the certain characteristics which through you can create the canon of ascertainability. Now, canon of permanence. In canon of permanence, one has to keep one permanent characteristic. It doesn't allow that whenever you require just changing the characteristics. No. In canon of permanence, whatever the characteristics you are going to choose for differentiation, you need to stay along with that particular characteristics. That could be durable. Now, canon for succession of characteristics. Here, canon of concomitance, canon of relevance succession, canon for concomitance, canon for relevant succession, canon of consistent succession. Canon of concomitance. Concomitance means happening at the same time. Therefore, canon means that two characteristics applied to a class should not produce same subclasses. For example, in the class divided, that means in the class, if you are divided according to the one characteristics, so one characteristic can be applied. If you applying another characteristics, so you need to measure what is the difference between the two different characteristics, right? So that is basically the concept of concomitance. Here you can see two characters should be used for the facet or subject, date of birth or age. What will be the best one that can be chosen? Canon of relevant succession, right? We have already discussed yesterday that what is the immediate common concept of a particular subject. If we think of a literature, then we must think of a language. When we must think of a language, then we must think of a form of the presentation. Then we must think of an author and the work. So we have already discussed many things on the canon of relevant succession. So what will be the immediate succession of a particular characteristics in a subject? Now canon of consistent succession. Canon of consistent succession only advise that the order of application of a characteristics one choose should be followed consistently. That means whatever the characteristics are going to choose, it will be carried forward for a long period of time, unless there is any big change in the subject. Then canon for array. Canon for array: exhaustiveness, exclusiveness, helpful sequence, and consistent sequence. Exhaustiveness, here you can see the classes is in a array of classes, and the ranked isolate in an array of rank isolate should be totally exhaustive of their respective common immediate universe. Here you can see the examples. Exhaustive means an array should be all inclusive of its eligible member. See the following array: color white, black, brown. This array is not exhaustive as it does not include other color such as pale, yellow, fair, whitish. Hence, while forming an array, every member should be included, otherwise classification will not be comprehensive. That means what will be the different type of characteristics, ideas will come up within an array that need to be enlisted within the array. Canon of exclusiveness. Exclusiveness means that this entity should be belong to only one array. In other words, members should not be included two groups at the same time. For example, classification of dog, either it should be kept under animal or under pet, not under both. And it will be result. But I will tell you one important aspect. Suppose if you take the examples of gold, when you are studying gold in chemistry, then it is a personality, because it is an immediate concept in the chemistry. But when it's come into ornaments, then it will act as a matter. If you think the concept of printed book, when printed book is a personality in generally a bibliography or under book science, it could be the personality. But when it's come to the library science, books is represent as a matter. So canon of exclusiveness is important where you are using this concept. When you are using any concept in a particular basic subject, then that should be followed. That cannot be changed either in personality or matter. That should be sticked to one particular order. Now, canon of helpful sequence. I've already told you, helpful sequence is a sequence which help to arrange the entire classification scheme into the particular order of scientific dynamism. And you will find from subject to array, the subject to array, everywhere you will find the concept of helpful sequence. Without helpful sequence, you cannot create a proper classification scheme. Here you can see the concept of principle of helpful sequence. Let's have a look. This is the concept of helpful sequence. Here, one by one, we'll discuss different concept of helpful sequence. Now, first sequence you have seen over here, later in time, later in earlier in time. The principle of later in time, when any subject will, any concept will come, it will be arranged on the basis of their time. Here you can see the examples of king, ruler, president, prime minister can be arranged according to their time period of rule. Where it will be arranged according to their time period. Now, earlier time, if you see the BC, before Christ, or Anno Domini, AD, the basic difference, when it will be arranged on the basis of BC, BC is little bit opposite. The 600 BC, 200 BC is much closer. 100 BC is much closer. 600 BC is much higher, far away from the Christ year of birth. So this is exactly opposite. When it will be arranged, that will be arranged on the basis of the before Christ concept. Now, principle of later in evolution. Animals can be arranged from amoeba to mammals. Plant are arranged Thallophyta to Dictyloendos. You can understand whosoever will come first, evolution, that will be arranged according to the order of their evolution, right? Yesterday I told you that I will try to find out some example. Principle of earlier evolution. Now, if you see the dinosaur, instinct animal, so it is an earlier evolution. So now people are sometimes asked, it was the era of dinosaur. It was the era of dinosaur. It's completely different. Now here you can see the principal proximity of a spatial continuity. If the same entities exist in this space, their arrangement should be near to one another. We can arrange Indian state in order: Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal, Haryana, Delhi, UP, and so on. Planet in space may be arranged like Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Pluto. Interestingly, you can find some of the numerical values of those from the DTC or colon classification, but that not be much comfortable, because sometimes you may forget the ordinal number of that particular terminology. And again in C, entities along vertical line, principle of bottom upwards. Here you can see the same line. If the subject in an array of subject or the isolate in an array of isolate can be conveniently taken to occur along a vertical line, they may be arranged from bottom upwards if it is helpful. Here you can see child, young adult, old age, right? Principle of top downwards, right? If subject in an array, see, if the subject in an array of a subject or the isolate in an array of isolate can be conveniently taken occur along with a vertical line, they may be arranged from top to downwards if it is helpful. Here I am talking here, when you are, this concept are coming to the education, then you are starting from child, in which you are going much priority, child education, then young adult. Old age education, you are giving much priority to the old age education? No. But when it's come to the social security, where you are going to giving emphasis? Old age, adult, young adult. No. So it is depending upon your subject where you are applying all those concepts. The same sequence is become reverse from one subject to other subject. You can see that entities along with the horizontal line, principle of left to right and right to left. Here you can see in botany, root, stem, leaf, root, stem, leaf. Or in botany again, you can see the flower, fruit, seed, upward and downward, right? When you're arranging the root, stem, leaf, and in flower, in the principle of right to left, flower, fruit, and seed. Now coming entities along with the circular line, principle of clockwise direction, principle of anti-clockwise direction. Here you see, if the subject in an array of subject or the isolate in an array of isolate can be conveniently taken to occur along a circular line, they may be arranged in the clockwise direction if it is helpful. Look at the here. Look at the examples. This is India. This is एशिया. मान के चलो ये इंडिया है. सो हमें इस तरीके से मतलब क्लॉकवाइज जाना है, ऐसे जाना था पूरे इंडिया, पूरे वर्ल्ड को एनलिस्ट करने के लिए, राइट? क्लॉकवाइज. बट हमने क्लॉकवाइज नहीं गए कई जगह पे. मतलब नॉर्मली एशिया के बाद ऑस्ट्रेलिया होना चाहिए था, माने इंडिया के बाद इमीडिएट ऑस्ट्रेलिया की नंबर होना चाहिए था, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. हमने गए, हम इस तरीके से गए, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज गए, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज इन एशिया, देन यूरोप गए, यूरोप से अफ्रीका गए, फिर अमेरिका गया, फिर ऑस्ट्रेलिया आए. सो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द क्लासिफिकेशन स्कीम इन द यूनिवर्स आर फॉलो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन. They never follow the clockwise direction, right? So whenever you are, when the new generation will come, when they will create some kind of classification scheme, so they can create direction, clockwise direction for arranging the places. Now entities along with the radial line, principle of periphery to center. The subject in an array or subject or the isolate in an array of isolate can be conveniently taken to occur along with the radial line of a circular. They may be arranged for periphery to center, and it's helpful. If you look at the idea, principle of center to periphery, zoology, protozoa, porphyria, colenterra. Okay, it is in zoology. You can see the principle periphery to center, protozoa, porphyria, or colenterata. In medicine, embryo, child, adolescent, right? It's a periphery to center, right? That's a two different concept. In zoology, it is different. In medicine, it is little different. So in two different direction. Here, in the principle of increasing quantity, you can see if a subject in an array of subject or the isolate in an array of isolate admit a quantitative distinction, they can be arranged according to their increasing quantity. District headquarters, subdivisional township, gram panchayat. Principle of increasing quantity. So quantity is growing, right? District headquarters become one, subdivisional is many, then gram panchayat is many. Principle of decreasing quantity, if you see the gram panchayat, then Jila Parishad, then state assembly, then Lok Sabha. So there are many gram panchayat, many Jila Parishad, many state assembly, one Lok Sabha. So this is a decreasing quantity. Of decreasing quantity, ये ग्राम पंचायत, जिला परिषद, स्टेट असेंबली, लोकसभा हो गया.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the principle of increasing complexity. If the subject in an array of subject isolate shows the different degree of complexity, look at look at the complexity in a subject. Perception, consciousness, cognition, emotion, connotation, personality, metapsychology. Consciousness, cognition, emotion, connotation, personality, and metapsychology. Here you can see another example. In town planning, we can arrange like village planning, town planning, city planning, and metropolitan planning. Principle of increasing complexity means the entities may be arranged in the order of 3 कुछ नहीं है. In order to arrange a increasing complexity, that is, linguistic element can be arranged, syllabus, word, phrase, clauses, sentence, paragraphs, right that way. So you have a one word. मतलब decreasing complexity यहाँ पे देखो, ये और clear हो जाएगा. Reader, piece of composition, sentence, clause, इसमें देखें किस तरीके से complexity decrease हो रहा है ना. Reader is a piece of composition is many, sentence as a many words, clause, phases and words. Now, principle of canonical sequence, here you can see, I have already told you that if the subject in an array of subject or the isolate in an array of isolate are traditionally referred to a specific sequence, although no underlying principle is discoverable, it will be convenient to conform to the traditional sequence. Here you can see the physics, sound, heat, thermodynamic, magnetism, mathematics, algebra, arithmetic, geometry, trigonometry, astronomy. So these are the canonical classes. In principle of literary warrant, if a subject in an array of subject or isolate in an array of isolate may be arranged in the sequence of the decreasing quantity of the document published or anticipated to be published on them, except any other overwhelming rules is out. Here you can see, I have already told you the literary warrant of the rice is much higher than the wheat and rye. So that's why you keep rice fast. And normally you will see in majority of the cases that people says Radhe Shyam, Sita Ram, right? Algebra, geometry. So nobody said Ram Sita. Nobody said Shyam Radhe. It's a literary warrant. Radhe Shyam, Sita Ram. It came from the very earlier period, ancient period, right? So that's why it's called canonical. Now, principles of alphabetical sequence, I will tell you that when no other sequence of the subject in an array of a subject or the isolate in an array of isolate is most helpful, they may be arranged alphabetically in their name according to the international use. Now, Ranganathan was the person who was conceived the idea of alphabetical sequence, because he don't want that alphabet, the very mechanical, any mechanical process need to be taken account to arranging the sequence of order of a particular subjects or its isolate ideas. You can see principle of later in time. Principle of later in time means जो भी पहले आएंगे उनका नाम पहले आएगा. Principle of earlier time, before Christ में जो back arrangement होता है. Principle of later in evolution, जो पहले जन्मा है, evolute किया है, वो पहले आएंगे. Mammals, amebia और mammals, amebia to mammals. Plant में Thylophyta and dicotyledons. Then principle of earlier evolution can be helpful, dinosaur and extinct animal. Here principle of partial contiguity, here you can see the arrangement of the place or space or planet according to the order of their sequence. You cannot arrange directly from Delhi to Ladakh. You have to keep Himachal and Punjab or Haryana within that phase. Line. Here you can see principle of bottomwards to upwards. Where you were talking about the education, you need to have education on the child first, then young adult, old age. Principle of top downwards. When you are concerned with the social security of a person, then you have to take from old age, adult, and young adult. And entities along with the horizontal line. Here you can see there are two concepts. One is horizontal, principle of left to right, and principle of right to left. Here you can see root, stem, leaf. In botany, again, flower, fruit, seed. Entities along with the circular line, principle of clockwise and anti-clockwise. Here you can see the examples of, in all the classification schemes throughout the world, they have never maintained the sequence of clockwise. If they could have maintained the clockwise sequence, the Asia, immediate after Asia, the Australia need to be taken into consideration. After Australia, Africa could have come, then America, but it has not happened. It is gone through the anti-clock direction. It has gone Europe to Africa, Africa to America, America to Australia. Now, here you will see principle of periphery to center and periphery to center and center to periphery. पहला होना चाहिए center to periphery. Principle of center to periphery and periphery to center. Now, center to periphery, zoology, protozoa, porifera, coelenterata. In medicine, embryo, child, adolescent. These are the examples. Principle of increasing quantity. You can see that where in quantity are increasing, it looks like you have a one district headquarters, subdivision or township and gram panchayat. And principle of decreasing quantity, you can say gram panchayat, many gram panchayat, jila parishad, many jila parishad, state assemblies, lisar, and then Lok Sabha 1. Principle of increasing complexity. Here you can see the perception of a subject when, there will be another example also, but here is the best example: perception, consciousness, cognition, emotion, connotation, personality, metaphysics. In town planning, you can understand the concept of the complexity. Principle of decreasing complexity. Here you can see the reader, price of a composition, a piece of a composition, sentence, clause, phrase, and the word. Principle of canonical sequence, where immediate universe of a subject can be divided on the basis of their immediate classes, related classes. Principle of literary warrant. Here you can see that the subject which got more literary warrant means more popular, it will come first. Then principle of alphabetical sequence. So alphabetical sequence is nothing, whatever the alphabetical, suppose you are arranging Godan and Gitanjali together. So whosoever will be first in the alphabetical sequence, either it could be G, O, D, G, E. So G, E, Gitanjali will become first, then
Yes.
Godan. Okay.
Yes.
So this is alphabetically. Here you can, when you are going to arrange Maruti car or a Hyundai car, suppose Hyundai and Maruti. So you are keeping Hyundai first, right? Because it's on the basis of the alphabetical sequence. Consistent sequence. So whenever a similar classes are ranked isolate occur different to array, their sequence should be parallel in such array. Whenever the insistence on such a parallelism does not run counter. ये बिल्कुल उन्हीं की भाषा है, रंगनाथन जी की. Consistent sequence means that if a set of entities occur different place, then their arrangement should be on the same everywhere. For example, in male and female child occur in main class psychology, education, even law. Their sequence should be same in all the classes. Now, canon of chain of classes. The result of successive application of the characteristic to a group, not all members will be equal rank. This could be whole, their part, kind, various species and subspecies of an entity. Here you can see, here they have given two different canon. Canon of decreasing extension, canon of modulation. In decreasing extension, the above canon means that the entity should be arranged in a border to narrower in general specific, or whole part, whole to part other. For example, Asia, South Asia, India, North India, Punjab, Amritsar makes a chain of classes in a decreasing extension. That means when you are arranging the places, suppose you are arranging the Europe, in Europe you have to create North Europe or East Europe, East and West Europe. So whenever East Europe, in Eastern Europe, you can create modulation. Modulation means that no intervening link should be missed in the classes arranged in decreasing extension. No jumping, no snapping is the first example. We should directly jump. We cannot, we should not directly jump from North India to Amritsar or meeting Punjab. So you can understand the modulation. Modulation means you will follow the same things they are talking in different way. Same thing. In Bharwal plan, the 4 canons of Bharwal plan deal with the language terminology aspect of a scheme of classification. So this Bharwal plan is majority